What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Diana Sandy. I come from Uganda. I am 28 years old.
Okay. What is your social background?
My social background, I'm a journalist by profession. I am a mother of one.
Okay.
I'm not married, I'm single.
Okay. Where you come from, the country? That was Uganda?
I come from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa.
Do you think it's nice that we have democracy here in Denmark?
Democracy in Denmark, I can't really justify whether you have it or not. To some extent, you have democracy in Denmark. To a certain extent, you have it.
Okay. What do you think about dictatorship or these countries who have it? Do you think it's great or?
In Denmark, I don't think there is a lot of dictatorship in Denmark. I don't think so.
But in Libya or something?
Or in Africa, dictatorship is not good. Dictatorship leads to a lot of problems or effects that people die. Like now in Egypt, people are still dying. Like in Libya, people are still dying because they were trying to fight dictatorship.
Okay. What do you think about people who start a rebellion against the dictatorship? Also?
People who start up rebellions against dictatorship, I can say to some extent they are right, but the end result is is worse than dictatorship. Take an example of Libya.
Yeah,
they've been through a lot. Apart from fighting Gaddafi himself, they are going through a lot. A lot of people have died. A lot of property is spoiled. The country economy itself is now worse due to starting up a rebellion.
Yes. Have you met some people who have been involved in a war or something?
Yeah.
Have you? Can you tell about it?
No, I had a friend in my first camp in Sandholm. I met a friend from Afghanistan, and she really tried to explain to me what she went through in her former country of Afghanistan, and it was not really nice. She looked traumatized. She looked stressed. She looked all not good because she had witnessed a very, very bad experience.
Yeah. Why do you think that people who live in dictatorship are going against the dictator?
I beg your pardon?
Huh?
I beg your pardon, come again.
Why do you think that people who live in dictatorship are going against it?
I think people who live in dictatorship are going against it due to a number of reasons. I'll give you the positive and negative reasons. People who live in dictatorship are going against it because of one reason. Most of them, they were born in that regime. They've never witnessed any other leader ruling. So at times, just for fun, they want to see another president without counting the repercussions of changing. Take an example of Libya. Gaddafi ruled for 44 years. So if you are born in the Gaddafi era, you would love to see another leader. So you don't, without thinking what are the repercussions of you're going to see after. So now, here they are, they're fighting, a lot of people are dying. Most of them are doing it just for change and, peer pressure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think is the best, democracy or dictatorship?
Of course, democracy. Everyone would love to have democracy.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.